Fa kwenye suchia His Excellency na naru yangu kwa kufuado. Miura, I salute you. Chair Vice President, Dr. Bagumia. Fa kwenye suchia His Royal Majesty Utumfu say to the second. And in penny for ATM near Shemi. And then you may walk when you reigns kingdom. Everybody shall be here. Abusuafo e ba bedin komo ne abon komo na retwe komo mi wa because of Reverend Dr. Isaac Owusubempa. Osof pani akwa mu court ne. Edie ne si die ne bai. Aha ne ba bia ba ginkyire mu. Ye da ye ka se ye nkono bi aba ba ka kire yen. Nanso die besi biara o mai we se mu se pani ye mpo de beto famu a ye te. Ba wani na sha link ne ma ye nin komo bi sesi ye. Ye nin komo ne ye mon komo ne ye nin twin komo. Bomadi. My WhatsApp number is 0549 377750. The WhatsApp number is 0549 377750. Everybody should be here. I was here for another day. I'm in Okasai, another date here. 20th September 2021. And I Juada, which is Monday. Prophet Dr. Isaac Owusubempa kwa kopiemu or Accra Circuit Court. Ediye ne kusiye. Ediye na baye. Ediye ene kusiye. Ahani bebe ye more details no. Another pena opening se bi ne me kaso wase na wo hi. Osofo Owusubempa case mi hu ni se nkusi ba bia. Na asema me ka che ne se ye de ye wo Ghana ha sembra nya adwuma because Prophet Dr. Isaac Owusubempa sabi mpradu ya so wonso nsemra ena wonye kase ya nsemra enu a time a okopiem wo na sore na ochiachia nkofo bobon nkofo bebredi meka ho asem wo hane ya na me bisa mo se adana Ghana hanum sabi mpradu ya sase emra edi hiania ene no kon papa saniete but edi sikania yesi nyaye no asem yi emi bisa no pa we sei asam emra ade ye friend mra se di wo hiania ene no kon pepe odi ndi etia be kasa mi ni wo bia sabi mpradu ya so ko twese kan anaso ye street boy no ko twese kan na mra so ni mu na mra timida kwa akoto afiase 10 years ana Abraham ko pie mu court na ye expect se adu ba eche obetimi aba court but wa ma me no ka se still one matata o madwania police wonya omo a onfo mo ho nche omo aye hwehwe omo na no police ko ekopie mu ogomu afete ye huma emlantie me no ka se manyantie se adu ba eche samre ya manu guso ameka sai o shekura ye friend pram ni sister penna wa tena de ho but I'll make sure the police will be to me call Ghana fan se wadi mso waban na wasuntu betimi agimi sane ya ope Ghana mra enya Ghana aban de ya but emra no ho se be protect o man ni nipa Ghana mra sabi eye nipa ntinu wo se emra no enya mra ntinu obo nipa e wo man ni mo asemi ba ye nipa dodo na Osofo Owusubempa yebejai no obekọ yebejai no ye nipa ni bi kika no okay me sabre ni adaje ena me woni ama bebre wasam ye no ha ansan me sori ama sori enra ye kwasia da Prophet Dr. Isaac Owusubempa ko piemu wona sori na okasai wore dase osidi yankori nkuti ye ba ni aka na ho hi meto aso Ensuo bomadi na share link ni yanko yenim.
Easy. Fans. Sister, so Yamisha, sister. Minimudin, and Mrs. Sassani. In fact, a dinner, the American by name is Teku. It's my mokra. Okay, my job. Because Obi Okrana, one ma a hop, but empire, Bobby or sending them. I brought you for. Anna, Deputy Chief of Staff, Oman Penny Nanado, Danko Kufado Somano, Somra Meshame, no Musam Sadia Mehotia, Onosinamishano, Chief of Staff, Namishano. In fact, Namia Maudia, Ebia next week and next 2 weeks, and a Messa de Dase. Anka, me will be a switch and sedan, come to Mama Sancro for. Also for Swanson, and I met Papa Reverend Bishop Victor Osei, or no dear of our plane free commercial by. Or down, or by a cram head anymore. I said, no, I am miserable. Now we send Papa the Hediano intimidity. None is Socrates. Me grandpa, me call Monocrana, my main champ. And the Papa Nicholas Duncan Williams, the Archbishop. In fact, Namisha, Papa is so, Namisha, the Reverend Parker, also for Namisha. Ose, you be charged at Tums is here, and I be charged at Tums is here, and I'm a wa. And nobody who did that. Hallelujah. Wonderful. Reverend Obafo, Sister Tina, and Reverend Salfu Amwako, Archbishop elect, Hobson Adoya. Now with him say, Papa Samia Wuku, or free play Musia, one coffee cry, no bar, ho straight, or name Mr. Martin J. Cosa, and there's also Bempa Hobson Adoya, and ya Papa Kennedy Japan, or no, you are butcher as one a Joe. Now, Papa into me now. Now fresh Bonsama Honorable Kennedy Japan. Hallelujah. Ya Papa John Dramani Mahama. One and a wife. Almost man for a moment by Hoba Sherman. Or Penny as man for a moment by Hoba twice. Yamia Samidam fee. In fact, Namisha Obia. Also for Sufri Kumaseba. Hallelujah. Amen. Agata so Osun Kama. Agata so Onosun Nimsu. On the end they are soon. Moamusu and Namisha. Hallelujah. Kasa Amen. I was for Reverend Usubempa.
Okay. I was for Prophet Dr. Isaac Osu and Pana who said Ochiachiano. Prophet Dr. Isaac Osu Bempa and I was Obubudia Ochiachiano. Now, every video I met to and beside who said, and you want to Kennedy Japan when you dear Papa to Ghana, how are ye? Nadam for no, and then 20 minutes to the food. I think so. Everybody be hopes na do ya abua papo no kra ya punch ntimi monitin. Ono le so abua kra de mi hu bi da. Okasa na ni pe ba bi kra fe. Just what Jimmy to the sense one okasa rough say the Ghana ene dia. San kofo ni ehi om ne di dua ba face wo mo. Ankwasiafo say ye. Yeah. Eti branu abua di nam bisa mo say Papa, yes, we will done a num. About former president today. As a former president, many papa 2 times. About Nabu Kennedy Japodi, Waba Hobson already, wabo Archbishop Duncan Williams din wabo Sarifo Makudin wabo basofo bebre din etrese no munim dia na ekoso no tira me bisa mo se papa status wo ya tutrasam anyambrasam odin kofo atam otratin kofo ntimoni enhuda ibisa m question money enhunu da money enhunu maso ante money enhunu maso ante papa status sabi wo supan kofo wo boabo domano maso ante da ma usa Mr. Hopes na do ya kasa wakasa bebrebe da bia mekasa on Ghana ha the way quality the way omanity no asumbato ahwe ya wunkom oman na kakraka oman hu se esiwe se pa bataye oman ya isheki afane ma hu se osofo Usman pam ma hu se Ghana ye wonpanimfo bebre wo hanu a nyansa omuni bi wo ho afutuo yentuni pabi ya try ma dia ni tsawie ya try ma dia ni jinsamu ya try ma dia ni guwie ansana ya bekasa ya kasa ya try ma dia ni tsawie ansana ya bekasa ya kasa na wan kasa uti osofo Usubempa the way wasianya akokoduo no wakasa yia anyway opompe wadam opompe wadam ompe wadam Anglophobia stati ya ataki IGP no masama menka asama nkyerɛw aban a ɛyɛ MPP aban ɛbɛkɔ aban a ɛyɛ NDC aban bɛba but IGP ɔbɛtra hɔ daa because sabe ɔman ne mu ɛnya nipa na de ne tumi yi IGP o na emum no ne nyuma pa ɛna me yɛde appoint no yes Ore man kasa mon tres na mu hwe edia osofo Usubempa abobɔ edi mu den awabobɔ wabobɔ di bebrebe but still oye ex convict oye ex convict opewompew because yakoyi obi afiri nsawam obeda cantonment cells ade kire na court to ni prisoner yi na ada momi ankoso ne nto aso Prophet Dr. Isaac Usubempa kika ni nsam wa nyina awie ya no eno opene friend Hopes na doye ono nso ba no was Adia Ghana Police Service, I think some more than brother here, but you must also for Usubempa in the Mentiasia. Now, Honorable Hopes na doye kasa obekasa said ye obekasa Ghana mrano sabi ishin bottom obekasa Ghana mrano sabi onu ni kura no make some way at the Ghana mpanimfo abutie me adia ye frani mra enye obi ade ewu timunya mo sabutimba emra edu ohiani emra enisikani sabi producer yeni mu nkofo bebra enkokwa na siye sani osofo Usubempa ni agrada de yiye na mam sanko afokro no omakwa akodem na ona ye dai na ona da sai na ona si sai umiyenko tie Mr. Hopes na doye nipa atres one de ne ho ya me tan na ne kasa ya me tan po e ya aboa papo umientie
so ni say sabio ye
also for muntie Mr. Hopes na doye muntie no
abusan for one Ghana TV
we muntie Mr. Hopes na doye
yenyina yenyim Reverend Osubempa ho sense
muntie no
fight ya on social media and obi there will be in actual party yenyina ayaka me catch Reverend Osubempa say nanka say wo kokokra any ade etu ho no call ye ne de ono ana ba kofre ayi e de aman but say police go moache na sofo ntutu obi ana onu adi e kire say wo akofre bebi ana sofo ne da go through ho no mo say on trust statement etu onu ko de no office say ebia ye witness statement etu onu to say oh ya sorry ni ogu ye ni say mu wie ya mo si ache no moache ne so aye den mo si o a police for no ba ho no crofo bi do o mo saka o mo ti no o mo free say o no sofo no ne ma kwan say o mo mo na woni we are CID for in a brain group. How would the people know say we are police for? Now, your boy, no, may not be the hobby. But your more catcher, me say, or who say, Uncophobia, pick your most of a kettle about putting a shaker what? And I think you go for or would you go for pro? It's impossible. It's almost share if you be. That's how you do opposite in Zuzono. Yes, spotter. Among for Trahonomo, and you on this Sunday. That's what we do no we no because oh what would you be a Safi with what we saw what you be a free I don't go hold on. And then when you say over some for Father Roma, young kidnapping California day, now for fees almost say what we say kidnappers.
Cheer Mr. Hopes na there tie ni ye
police for your card in Danka or one yes sir and the Bokobai me support to say what would do Monsaka police for so because when you are on official duty as I said, will be activated in his account. And it's all representative of mine. Now, we are representative of mine. I think, Meno, say we have been here, that's the Udu Sabo official. Say, we get the Dumania, I will not support it. So, what did I for? Sundays, was I would need or Pastora Pong Abba Drufi, and what did it? Now, what did you do? At a point in our face, I say, yeah, no, and you grado. So when you did Kakrana, I was a common one after who was Gagra. Why yet baby I drew the neck as some of the hospital and of the boy. So far, you know, why you public, you can say, no fair. Now, yeah, Baby treated me criminal beat. In fact, not a yard with him. I didn't see Sunday, media my young uncle, near you hope. It's Monday, and I took by a second to go. I know who's friend say, look. Yaba bedroom idea as I say Rashipo police station one. And you call Cantonment police station. You draw on some police hospital. At you drew on first there's a Yishiano and they may introduce no hopes in a doy, many or Subempa. Yeah, Baba Befesopo. That girl you cook what pie. That's some of the Shani Kakeno. What might you find bra? And I'm saying, what do you mean? Yaba, okay, would you? Would you put it say, yeah? Na yenchari keke nuungu se yaba hazi ni ensango wasi wanye lucky ada superior officer bi bai ada me introduce me one was I know you the one man was here yeah mamu 5 minutes money 5 minutes in so just say get the class the superior na my fine ada jaya boy they say o usu kachre reverend members o mo by 5 minutes into no say say twa be 4 ye pese bi answer tab na so o na guy na ba bi o kasa me ade media that may pull it down and say you so that may pull it down and say oh we have betray oh yeah say I feel police officers here just say or muku kwa pai kra o ma kuja bemba busi say you mo mutu oni ade and I'm saying now what the about the gaza no yeah me bet ma ba ko nti be nyafe but you see we are government official what kind you know sabi men ne Jimmy Samwachi enko emma ene ayibia asembia nkosi imijira hono mwa ana me friend director general of police administration ISCOP tete yo no ana me catch in fact the bufu ye ba ana so there you control you Abase no some will provoke one day and papa fast and for any other. And I'm okay. And the jaya and the free boy. One more attitude. Just say, Yaba Benke, Papa Num Quanti. Omuko ya no mkoko yi drip the free papa so. I don't put a hand for phone.
It's a woman so we drip on a free in Sunina, Mummy, and I know the man.
That be said, yeah, if you want to know, I can say, Napala and friends, or Mama be drip on a woman no back to sense.
So,
yeah, I get doctor, and admit you know. Doctor non can say, my discharge no. Eti police no who to me who the papa yi drip on a Sunday na process no. So, what can be who are ben? I'm not maybe teacher a abuse of power. It's not some of us, you slow down, Kaka. Now, some police for no attitude in there. Now, a bad. Me, I can't say, but as I say, oh, get time and come. As it's all parody of now, your mom would trade the entire or we are sad.
There's a more investigating issue, no, yes, sir.
I'm telling you, it's unprofessional. I am not professional. You don't have that. Anna, young Fanan go private hospital, police hospital. A doctor for nurse for no one in 97% a police personnel. Civilian nurses in here get too heavy. Doctor didn't know your police officer, and not just police officer go. A year, I can't say ACP, DCP.
Doctors now also be a police for.
A police for, 97% a police for. 97%. A police for, especially doctors in Ancasadia. Nurses in the civilians in the Catra. So, now, one said, Omobaya Sadem. In all, yes, rule of law must work. And in the lawyer, Apple Feder, because of a circuit court. It is all percent who question the decision. And so called a high court.
Yes, so change. Yeah.
What for high court? On the Coco PDF on health grounds and a Kaikahu. No, it's a Nipadia public figure. I just say, what properties near a day, I bet you me a Huno ne Bibiano. Just say, Omutiasie, Emma, even Omusa Granty Bill, Emma, the 4 others on the Guinea Pest in Emma Omukofi. People were saying, say, now MPP party to the Mama Pine, now Papa, look, President is
one thing before one betrayal, also,
and you know, Preda, and you know, President betrayal. You see, President is one person. Mistake, Don Mahama Beya Ghana for the Bechano. A good father, yes, I mistaken, I am Fajano. So do we need because Obudim said, a good father not be moved or saying Don Mahama. Obudim said, when it comes to legal issues, a good father, a war, Mahabadim Pebre, a back and Peditia Muni, the Kaikama, or Wadimu. Eti near Mahama Beya Ghana for not a Mujetre.
Okay, maybe we are back to us. Mr. Hobson, Nadoya Casano already no man say when him answer or a penny or watching. But Sabi said, make me penny drink a clan say. Oh, who saw software Usman Pania Maya Wayanitiamrano? Even sa interview we, nan can you question or Casa? Now, blame police for, but him was what the blame no, and most of Usman pa. Yes. Sa blame way and come a police for. Can was a sabi, or the most of Usman pa, because also for Usman pa, Uncle yes, Uncle Lanyama way, Uncle behave with Sanyama way, Uncle even police, Commodima Swate. Time was a police the chase and robbers. Sometimes Nani the chase was of Usubampa and then in Kuala, I will not sorry them. And to already know who's and another damn quack for will be a sabi, a bambam will not dream door as a former President Mahamano. Nine can you answer Empo Okasa. But why? Because also for Usman by MPP ni. Now my miss our question. Why na catch of Ghana hand MPP? Sabi na yo or mine your modia. Now when the catch also mine sabi a NDC for dia. I am telling you today, Mr. Ghana enya MPP dia Ghana enya NDC dia before MPP beba power enipa na to aba before NDC benya tumi enipa na to aba oman ni samla so bi mu a mum ye nyan na wo ye MPP ni ene wo ye NDC ni ene wo ye MPP ni nipa bebre dra MPP so di nkwase asam ekunkum nipa because of party power. Because of party power. Nipa bebre nam sabe MPP swadi nkwasi asam nipa bebre nam MDC swadi nkwasi asam mina mabai wo power mina mabai wo power mina mabai te power mina mdi MPP buy mina mdi NDC buy and nipa bebre no edi nkwasi asam wo Ghana ha yeah. Mimi Zrobia o. Tina me aba betimi e. Misumi se me kan okre. Enti sa no duabo ne bebe mu. Sa ni duabo ne bebe mu. How many times and how many days am who was of Usbempa? Say oh yes an kwala niam we. Kwala niam even sabi mi wo fase kwakubo nsam ka wonye san kwase ya niam we. Ebesi oya MPP ni ntuma betre na mu defend no. That one kasa hwew. Asamra nim ni ya wo ye adwo national security. A wo hudi o said o sofo ye enye even crown say o respect Ghana law, o respect police sabi mprebiasa keni kwasa o kasa o ho.
That day na ya dey go super patu mu na no. E ka president bet ba fra GPA, the reason. Eso wanye. What do you wanye? You cannot want to me and support lawlessness. Because what is a sorry for to be a police for the law must take it off. Yes, to the pay no interest. Also, be free. What you say? What be court? Na me ya do ma bandi obe court. What be court na court kasi dabi. Sanse we would for say this na sister we are. So be it. Court to say oh dabi sanse we dey ka. Onye body bia ofia. So be it. So on dey no. But one said how Sunday assembly here MPP 24 every day.
Mr. Absnado, met me and Yakodua cat was a case with a foolish case. Because already, Mama young source of fools went back. Sabi, or MPP ni. Kasa Mr. Absnado, ya Kasa free basic from Yam say, was of fools went back. We're joining MPP. We're MPP for what's of war. And the case way a foolish case because that's a boy sabi. Yeah, blame police. Yeah, blame sabi security agencies. No, I'm not a case way a foolish case. A way I come out that channel. A way here come out that channel.
And the lawyer, Odi. Nasem Amano, MPP lawyer. MPP did the someone or only the certified lawyer. Party no, and just said, one young Bibia. Get the other Bubiano, party no, and the Bibia lawyer. First of all, many Brahim Maniakis, near Gary Makuna and a lawyer. That's right. So, also for
Abua Papuna Casano. Abua Papua Nyat even one no, or any lawyer. Samini Ibrahim Mahama Kranya Sam, and your lawyer, some sin and I am a lawyer. More for sabi party soon and would dim Quasia Sam or Ghana. More for party so, and I'm with Yama and Sam Fata.
Yeah, they are behind the scenes, and you're my course. Everybody knows that's NDC for person we use to as a mischief point. Who the whole castle we are not mapa. Now, I'm explaining what actually is happening behind the scenes. On record that Ubo say, and yes, son, it here. And yes, son, it here. Unless they hope we are, then I can.
I see because we land the mammy bear said you was on land to be associated.
That's right. And she said, I'm really a kind of. And yeah, I did MPP for your genetic. Now, there might be a bushame, and members and I know who say, you're bedroom. In fact, and then I had a call from Denmark. Me a choice, Ebia, Nipano, 8 year program, Mibra. I know, I said, you see, in fact, Omunina di Yao Pania Daddy. And she made trip and some Bakum, you know, oh, and yes, I said, where some kind of man for a day. And just there is no way you ever betray any party member. Yes, or you're so full. As also know, or know what the man. We are seeing we say, or no dear, what the MPP day, Apple. What the club will be with all the MPP level. And there is no way, sir, you're betrayed. I think I go for the winning presidency. Also, call us sorry, them Crapodasi. Sorry, them Crapodasi. Oh, you're the Venus or Yana Dintra or Freno. The judges are so for you in the Kakaho or Freno. National Cathedral President, yes, who senior Diadinano. What was afraid of it? So, and then you were America, over Washington.
Mr. Hoops na da hele kasa no. Mr. Hoops na da hele kasa no. Yeah. Guso a o tre nsem. Guso a o biabie nsebani. Guso a o baba nsem. Guso a o di nsem wo nsem. But dia me pesa me kan say. Ghana ha. Obiano ade ne nsabesi ne buso ya MPP ni asabese bo so semra. E kan okre. Obiani Ghana han mo ade ne nsabesi ne buso ya NDC ni so semra. Samlat mitwa hiani mi yade ni kwadelia. Emran sabe etu asikania ya fani contract trade kwa ho. E wo so kwadeli hobi. Emrano setmiti wo hianim yade ni kwajela etuosi hania awasamla nini de na adia sabe MPP fo mpanimfo ya yeye na se Mr. Hopes na ya ane aboa papo ayeye mahu se Ghana ha ya tia no. So one try ye no be so ye NDC ni MPP ni no oba utu aku a obeba utu aku kwa near the MPP flag abeba be defend no. Yeah. Yeah, the MPP flag baba be defend the panel. Wabra enim se ni panel de oyan sabe a criminal offense etiamra na ensem fata se koso. Osofo akola timi akwa tutu. Ya baba tra social media. Osofo akola timi abetra social media se me wa be cross me lemu be bautu akwa enko ba bia. And at the same time was osofo akura ya dina sorry them a pretty about corruption.
Pacho, Obetini anya aban asem.
Muntie.
Ena mun sechi emrenti, eni senya onni mun sa huhronti. Minia. Abamra humpa. Chesa abamra be yin ani ato nchen. Aso ohuni, aso.
Now you may transgress a law or you may be found culpable in a certain area, but because you know how to give, you know how to show kindness, the law may shut its eyes.
Adia friend cash. Sika. Adia friend oma. We are Nyansania. Omode say a titru for our woman. Uno be a connection.
If you are a wise man,
listen to
establish connection with all the great people in your city or your country.
every month tikesie mu emin every month headquarters eho emin every month I don't want to go there national security my home min we onyansania opa min south places ya mabobodin miniano obekwansa won ebedi dey make me aka
so you want satisfy the people in power, and if you are able to satisfy them, you may go to prison for committing an offense, but going to prison may be far from you.
So amuka sase ya ho aya no mu refi se tumi no de ene de nyankopon o ya so amuka sase yi dwa manuma tren sori mano amuka sa ba ha tren sori mano aya no mu refi se tumi no e woni wura ho Etimino kasa Ghana osofo osuba mpam ya hunu sai sa uya sofo na sa hukum nipa uya opanini na sa hukum nipa uya wadefo na sa hukum nipa uya mama na sa hukum nipa usikanti e wasi edawo sa no oka sa no oka sa no oka so for usuba mpam ya musa sa sabe we sikania wasam kwa national security a enko babia ekobia na ya enko babia ekwa national security enko babia ekobia na enko babia anka sabe wasofo usuba mpati Ghana haro wanya minister onya MP wanya deputy IGP wanya deputy minister wanya minister of interior but wano to be gather soldiers wogu ni kamu no wadu amundam all because of say not buying our power not buying our power to otimi ya di ope otimi ka di ope odi atama amranche no otrete amranche no omeabu amranche no enti wonam sabi nyansa kwan so aye niama bebrebe a etia o man ni mura nanso because of MPP government onamo free na sabi yesi ya tra o man wemu ne ya di sa suban we ni ya we ya tichire wo man no ebe ko yiye o man betumpon o man be kwani mu with self my way some bad attitude way ya di tichire wo man ya di bu wo man da bi da mun tiye na numu asem ne bi
epa chao obetimi anya aban asem ena mo nse chi emrenti eni senya onni mo nsa hohoro nti binia abamra humpa tesa abamra be yin ani ato nchen aso ohuni aso
Now you may transgress a law, or you may be found culpable in a certain area, but because you know how to give, you know how to show kindness, the law may shut its eyes.
ade a friend cash sika ade a friend oma we nyansani a pomodin say a titrufo a omo a woman unu obi a benya connection.
If you are a wise man,
Listen to it
establish
say
connection with all the great people in your city or your country.
every month tikesie mu emin every month headquarters eho emin every month I don't want to go there national security my home min
tio
we on
muntie sabia mienu e osofo osuba mpabo ye no eye bia kese mienu a meka se ekita Ghana so me no kasa ise sia osofo osuba mpanu asem ama mahum sai so mo mugu national sabi national CID headquarters Bible nkwa no mo je na nya adwuma pa bi no mo ye osofo Osubempa ma wuso mo amugu national security office na do afra wo ma form adwuma so ma bo man ho ban o ma tu o man ho anamo no anya adwuma bi no mo ye nyamom no eye sika ho adwuma no mo ye nyame ni pa ben kasa rough say ja ahomaso ni a hantan to osofo Osubempa ni akoto o behave it sabi in prediasa Ghana ne papa nti anko na de Ghana bai yeah ena de open wo ye dan kambra ya adwuma nka ohu osofo Osubempa nka woso kodam woso otimi kodam more than even for 1 month na koda police custody because how possible so be gather sabe atutra for mrantie ubegada criminals dia ko be fie so de kokontokwa and Mr. Hopes na do ya kasaro wa me ya usadi osofo Osubempa ye no enya and I'm not so Osubempa ko kan ntokwa no bia bodia no de batana na do anko akufuado obia bodia no de batana na do anko akufuado masa mo fa samadum sa Ghana hanum sabe say you wutini pad ne ko send national security national CID headquarters ya eto dia dia I was on the Koma court untimi handle ni pad nko sia we because emra enya odia e aban ne dia e court dia Osofo Osubempa to Ghana higher pompous, arrogant, rude, and proudness. What the Ghana ha? You are pen warrior. To 20 Saturday, sabi, yenim penny for Ghana wim, or to 20 Saturday, sabi, one matuni power minimum, or to 20 sabi would say the sabi, name Kuala and name Kwa, need power minimum, near or pack and away. We look as I do better. And then one court. I do better and court. I do better one court. No meteya. I stand to be corrected, sir. You say ne lawyer ne prosecutor kasai so ne ordinary court but ne one final court. But I am telling I do better, sir. Umpel, remand at the hotel. Remand at the hotel. Upon the sample of what we are coming, Menuka say, still yet the Sunam Sumwasi dim Quasiasam, Yanyama Bonnie, dim some phone, Yanyama Bonnie, dim Wasam, Yanyama Bonnie, dim Quasiasam, Yanyama Bonnie, because you're buying our power. Uwe ine kwa dema nka Hopes na doye obedruo kwa baba ho ka Hopes na doye nka ma ho obe dai ekura da biya nkyira nka mayirem ya oman na yatimni sabe oman ni nyobi ade ewu oman no enye obi ade ya oman no ye munipa omom to oman ni mun sabe enkroma asefo no oman ni yomode ya oman ye ye ma me Ghana de ya ne nyina yatim mero kasa du bet woni na pram ni sister ba ko radio ni sister pani ho awon wo dwane akwose upon the two asam ne kase sam nyina da Godwane akwose pram onu otimi nyatumi betutuo wa bonten abetre sabe mprediasa be ye ne wo pe be kan ye wo pe no ene Godwane akwose pram na opon we nyina mu na mo sori a IGP ayesei IGP ayesei IGP anyanadwuma yie IGP ayesei kyerɛ ya pasi ya fa kwan bia so nyema IGP ni nyuma pa o ye ne ye sabe nyuma bone mata nya adwuma sɛ IGP abrantia sabe ye frɛ na du bɛte okɔtwi tuo bɛtra social media bɛtre ten ye no amsi tuo ni ye toy ɛne na sefoɔ na your bloggers will be o Jimmy to the sense on as a sabe nyansa kwawurade amfa bi anto o mutirim adu be ati asamba ya hu sabe ya Jimmy fuo bi a ye ti social media Jimmy why etuo na adu be ati twi ya no ai enya tu papa na emom na ye toy no ko twi ya eye toy and I'm quite sober. And I'm quite sober. And I'm quite sober. And I'm quite so ever. Sheni padodo edu bet di ni nyanse di o matem Ghana ha. Champagne for do sabe mpreduasa matata di o matem Ghana ha so nipa do sabe krobia edi o matem Ghana ha na so videos ni na ekoso wo hefa ekoso osofo usu bempa ni ho ni dem. When was the last time one anase hopes na doye anase abua ponche papo efa fun no mo fresh sabe sa ankola itu o mo fo why no Ghana police for ni asofo sabe politicians for ni asofo na akabom e din sam fun o Ghana sa ya te Ghana ha yanim sabe asofo a ye kofa ka free Togo be register wa Ghana number ye kofa ka free sabe Dubai be register Ghana number ye di Ghana ha die tutrasam ame tola na me ka Ghana asofo bi asama na nipa bi ntiase masa ka wonu tumo na me asofo bi mo nyina o yes I know them. Ghana anya mini pom wa hamu nkasa nkwasiafo na ye dede akrompo na ye dede na no obi ni papa wu yo mko aye hadi da ase ye ya kan drama ase ye yi sini shaya honi ye bia show man mo tu sabe carpenter fo ni mason fo sabe mpreduasa and Roberts force of one kwa eni yakoshia crazy as of one kwa yete Ghana na yadi but one ekoka one ekomoso said the software yi enye one try na even kokoba ho wa said the software yi enye ya me pesa me kansa Ghana bia no oto amai we mo so semra obia no amai we mo ye kase semra emra ye kase si ni panyina emra ne sabi his royal majesty edino his excellency na nadu dan ko Akufo-Addo president edino vice president Dr. Bawumia edino the time come a youth will be anto ababie because now youth do na who sabe mpreduasa MPP ni adisi fo mpanimfo no ye mumra ye mfamra nya adwuma omo nyina omo ye nkwasea fo nko a Yeah. Yemumra yenimra so. Ghana law, Ghana constitution, ya sign no, ye tiet ya so ye mfa nya adwuma. Yemumra. Ti obi apen wo ye. Anko asofo asabe mpradiasa watu aman mu tu aman so. Timi betra social media se muntie nanumu asem ni biem. Muntie ensem huru kwa
Mepa chao ubetimi anya aban asem ena mo nse chi emrenti eni senia onni mo nsa hohoro nti minia amamra humpa just amamra be yin ani ato nchen aso ohuni aso
now you may transgress a law, or you may be found culpable in a certain area, but because you know how to give, you know how to show kindness, the law may shut its eyes.
ade afra cash sika ade afra no oma we nyansani a omodin say a titrufo a omo a woman unu obi a benya connection.
If you are a wise man,
listen to it
establish
say
connection with all the great people in your city or your country.
every month tikesiemu emin every month headquarters every month I don't want to go there. National security my home mean
It's not me bisabe wo sa Ghana hanum sabe yasum mra anase yasum patapa yasum mra anase yasum ahoden. That's my question. Yet Ghana hanum na the year 2021 year parliament Abrantia, a friend, Carlos Ahem Krayatua, baby. See, he is Speaker of Parliament. No cocotte, sabe, or copy ballot paper. No, di Janier. Just a Ghana penny for. Utimu said Jimmy started free Parliament. Jimmy, no, a started free Parliament. Jimmy near to trust some, name Quasia some, chrono started free Parliament. That's one a cocker. Ghana obi so nsimra wo anu na ya fra me same dan ya mesie du lent kumase ko fa ko budan na to agu an metini paro ko budan no yalfo obi o onu atimi de mra hye ne nsam na nka me wo ho kwan same kwana mu so onu ni a me de sekan wone mfe mamojetu no but mara ne already no no na di kan ahwie mi moja to agu obumi dan ya to agu akoton asase na ma obi watam ni pada san ya kwatren sa me masase ni ono na dia oni si dan no ani wabu dan na to agu na waton asase na ma obi because ono no sabe Emrani Enedia. Nipa bebre yi nyama Ghana mrana de ye pena ye no Ghana ha. Na no mo de Ghana mredi asem. Ghana mredi agro ya sofo. Omo anan omubom na demra ni di agro omumom na demra ni di agro omumom na demra ni di agro ya chimrantie makuma kunnan anom yosofo usubempa sofo ene ka osofo usubempa homa ne yenum na edom kogu afiase. Yes, edom kopie mo court mrantie ne yanka omasem enti na mi bisa mo a question na mi bisa meteni ese omda so dem meteye no yeso omda so dem yenyi wo mo ya meteni yeso omda so dem yenyi wo mo but yenyanka wo ho ahye si ye wo mo so omda so dem si yenyi wo mo so ye wo mo na mi bisa so mo hefa sha si etra we omai we mu ni ye me party na wo power maban na wo so me party na wo power maban na wo so a omai ne ye be go back omai ne be go back omai Ghana ntimi nyina so biem omai ne be go back. Na osofo usubempa ne maame agrada asem ye heba bia be kwa kosie anu na banam so amani patu ya hofu o man we shemu anu na banam so amani pa afa ye ho adwene o man we shemu because already you say sabi Ghana ha ne mbara na tewa ijao se wo yesikani nko ebe jao fa nko ba bia fa nko ba bia ado betra Ghana ha ya fa nko ba bia ene osafo osubempa mma hu se even ukum nipa na wuska se wasanke do koto se wasana se prison no court ya anonim rado anonim rado ena sese wire ho commander wo Ghana ha but I hope some will be tuneful Mr. Hope Snado e wo gidi area we se musa mo be tuneful honorable Kennedy Japan wo gidi area we se musa mo be tuneful. Oh yes, me can kure Musofo na ye fe no osubempa na muso wo sha nkoma MPP no tuneful okasa basa on kasa te so osofo oye duane ahomasoa ti muntuneful muntuneful because Ghana mrana nyane de yewu enna anu afie afan hoadi batame otra bi ofadom de ba me fie a on fa de honi yes obadwemba bate de me pesa me kanase no krana me kan Ghana ma mpanimfo bebre sasabisabi ye no man no ye ni o man ho do but ye ba power because of sabisabi ye yafunu nti ye benya gu ye botom nti You be a pen why you know my Ghana muha. You be a pen and why. Make that some way at the IGP. You know, down Parry. But in Cassia. In Tiedi any packer. Nini any pay ye. It's a hopes now. Do I casa no can be I acquire police for the fast so acquire police one do a soft for and fast Romania dear. Yeah. Met me a can't tell. You are police for the one of the grow social media and so. And no money nipa buy yourself who's been pay. Omun so a nipa way to Obumlasso or Tietia Mlasso, what the mra and him to from. Yeah. Yeah. Ukraine American. Ukraine American. Ukraine and American. Yeah, but now my way say mu. Edi ebeye. Ebeye sa. Na mpanimfo sai ho man no. Dan mo me ready esi wa besim. Yeah. Na mi bisa me ho. So why say IGP damn parent and I want to book Kennedy Japan or so say damn parent investigation for JB Wu. Yeah. Ghana how a bit to be Papa Yakum, you pano been him to a set.
But going to prison may be far from you. Now you may transgress a law, or you may be found culpable in a certain area, but because you know how to give, you know how to show kindness, the law may shut its eyes. Adia friend cash. Sika. Adia friend Oma. We are Nyansania. But Monday say a teacher for our woman who be a connection. If you are a wise man, listen to it. Establish connection with all the great people in your city or your country. Every month, every month, headquarters, every month, I don't want to go there. National security, my home, we on Yansania, Opa, some places, Yamabodi. Miniano, Oberquanso, a baby. You make me a car. So if you want, satisfy the people in power. And if you are able to satisfy them, you may go to prison for committing an offense, but going to prison may be far from you.
Okay, abusuafo. Fani usu be mpada no asem ni bi no. Ano ame be kan pia bibrika. Ano ame be kan pia bibrika asem wo ha. Ame adma watena. Omoni amaye ni omo poboni ya yabo nyina no meba be ka ho asem wo ha. Yo nipa bi wo no ma woni adwensa kira. Ani le wiase mpanimfo ka ase futu nsa kira nipa age se nsohwe. To watena nyame ya adomo. Meba na mabekasa. Ene mabre. Oya time no amia me de ba life no amutimu say yes mabre. Oya time when me de ba bedru ye na amutimu say yes mabre. Nyankopon ya adomo a no de yankwa che ya. Otena ayini kase ne betena se. Enyumre wensia pepepe. Na wo yi matrase. Awrade nhyira obi anu onye obi akese. The WhatsApp number is 0549377750. The WhatsApp number is 0549377750. Attest to message in the aba. Awrade nhyira obi a.
What is a